Hi, I'm Neil of Teen Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. In this video, we're looking at possessive PowerPoint lesson. Let's check it out. So welcome to this class. This class is about the possessive PowerPoint lesson, and it's for the higher grades of primary and elementary schools in China. We always start off a class with going over the class rules and also letting the students know if they follow the rules, they'll get a reward at the end, normally some sort of funny video or a music video. So we're talking about possessive pronouns here. So we're going to look at both types of the different possessive pronouns. The actual slides initially are in the theme of Harry Potter, which is always super popular with these young students. So what I'll have them do is I'm going to be having them read out the sentences. We're going to drill the sentences and show them how we can use like the pronouns like my with a noun. And then we have possessives that you don't need the noun, so it's all included. And we do that for each individual one. So his broom, his, her cat, hers, its food, its. And we do point out how some are the same. It just matters on the types of the sentences that they're using. And then we start going into a game where they have to identify the demonstratives. So this is my owl, its, and they have to choose mine, yours. So we use all of them. So they have to work it out by the amount of the objects, if it's a boy, if it's a girl, if there's plural, etc. And then we're going to look at possessive pronouns. So this is more, except it's part of a sentence this time. So this one is within a cool animation. The car of Ben and Mary, it's in the style of it's very fun and it's very engaging and colourful for all the students. And then we also have the possessive determinatives, and it's the same format. So we're using a lot of sentences, and we're using quite basic language within the sentences. So it's more focused on making sure that they can identify the people in the actual sentences and convert them to the possessives. So these are all names that we use, English names that we use that I know have been used in the book before. So you might have to be careful with that wherever you are. To change things up because like they often don't know, Sebastian, is it a boy's name or a girl's name? So that can be something that teachers tend to forget. So always make sure to go over that. And that's it. The whole class is just a lot of practice of the sentences, as there's not so many songs out there, especially with this level of students as they're a bit older. So we do just practice the sentences, but in this fun sort of gamified way. And at this point, what you can do is you can actually put the students into groups, and you can have them use their items. And if you've got all the possessive bordered, you can have them say, this is my pen, it's mine, and have them do that in groups, and make sure there's a mix of boys and girls so they can point out each other possessions and use the possessives in that way. Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel, and check out the link below to download the PowerPoint lesson. Bye bye.